Today is the day we tackle this. Hey everyone, today is the day that I reclaim my dining room. So long story short is within 28 days of each other, we were given the opportunity to start renovating our bathroom, which we were so blessed to be able to finish and do and have a safe place for our kids and clean, and I absolutely love it. I just love the way it looks. Anyway, so we were finally able to finish that up, or finally able to start that and get it finished up. And within 28 days of starting that and demolitioning that, we also suddenly have a dog barking in the background. Ignore him for a second. We also suddenly gained a foster child that we ended up having to rearrange rooms for. At first, we were going to give her her own room. She didn't want it. She wanted to room with the other child of mine that's the same age as her. And DCS was okay with that, and we were okay with it. So we had to rearrange rooms. So when the bathroom was being emptied out and those rooms were being emptied out, everything got dumped in the dining room. Now that the bathroom's finished, I want my dining room back. So let's get it back. Let me explain again, and hopefully he'll be slightly less cantankerous now. He's just in a mood. Like, he's been playing in the snow whenever it snows. So now every time it's cold, he thinks it snows. So he wants to go play in it. But there's no snow out there. So yeah, he's kind of in a cantankerous mood. Anyways, so again, to explain, and maybe you can hear me a little bit better this time. This basket is nothing but towels. The towels will be going back to the bathroom now that the bathroom's complete. There are hair ties on here. They will go back to the bathroom. The chemicals, like the cleaners and stuff, we aren't 100% sure. They may go in a basket in the bathroom because, again, the kids are all old enough now to where they're not going to just drink chemical. They know better. I mean, they know better. So I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out exactly where all those are going to go. But like the hair ties and then the shampoos and conditioners for their bathroom will of course go in their bathroom. But then again, there's also stuff that came out of the rooms whenever we took the toy room and turned into a second girls room. And I still got to try to figure out where everything's going to go, exactly where it should go. We also emptied out, like, that had all Legos in it. But if we already had 3 large drawer units for Legos, we didn't need like another drawer unit of teeny tiny ones. The reason why I've kept it so far is I may utilize it for hair supplies for the girls, because while they do keep all their hair ties and headbands together, because I mean they're all going to be around each other anyways, there's no more or less risk of exposure from having their stuff together than there would be for it separate, because I mean they're together all the time anyways. But what I'm thinking of doing is I want their hairbrushes separate. That way they each have their own hairbrush. Just makes it so much easier to get ready in the morning when they each have their own hairbrush to use. So I'm thinking of separating out, like I already have in this drawer, I already have one parting comb in here just to see if it would fit, and it did. I'm also thinking of taking a drawer and putting like their hairpins. We call them bobby pins. I don't know what their actual technical name is. These things here, I dropped it in the floor. These right here, the hairpins. So yeah, we call them bobby pins. I've always heard them called bobby pins in the South. I think most people call them hairpins. There's that. Then each of the girls has their own basket to keep like their own personal travel size shampoos and stuff in for whenever they travel with just them. Like we've taken 2 years ago, we took just the youngest for her birthday for one overnight stay. She brought her own just for her. We didn't need like the big one for everybody. So there's that. And then there's also like a spare pack of toothbrushes for Matt and myself, because we'd already bought a pack to replace the ones that we got at Christmas. I may replace them again soon, because again, that was Christmas. It's already February, so those will be ready for that. But then there's also like bead stuff, and I'm still trying to figure out how to evenly distribute the crafting supplies between 2 rooms, because before, like, all their crafting supplies were together, and they did clean out quite a bit and get rid of things that were extra. But goal for today, at least for day 1, is get everything out of here that can go in the bathroom.
Uh-uh.